Brittany Davis. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You are Brittany Davis?
Mm-hmm.
Please say yes or no.
Yes.
And Ms. Davis, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1450. You're charged with the second-degree felony offense of assault on a peace officer from May 19th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's been worked out.
What's been worked out?
I had to reveal my details with you as far as how I'm gonna proceed, because I don't know if I think I'm gonna represent myself. Or I'm
Okay.
gonna have my lawyer do it.
Okay, well, that's two very different things.
Yeah, I'm everywhere with it right now.
What?
I'm everywhere with it right now.
Are you? So if
Yes.
so if I test you today, you can have anything in your system?
Of course.
Have a seat in the jury box. Ms. Davis, when's the last time you smoked marijuana?
Probably like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah?
I waiting to get my medicine.
What does smoking marijuana have to do with getting your medicine?
Well, I mean, I self-medicated myself because I don't have any medicine. So I was smoking to keep me like
What medicine do you need?
Adderall, Buzzprone, and Promax.
What doctor are you going to?
Dr. N.
Spell it?
N?
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
You don't know how to spell it?
No, I don't.
Where
But
is
he's
he?
on Baptist.
He's at Baptist Hospital, or
Like he's on the side by Baptist Hospital. Dr. N. Like Dr. Kinagani. He's not too far from Dr. Kinagani.
okay.
But he a new doctor. I was going to Dr. Kinagani at first.
Okay, when's the last time you saw Dr. Ian?
I see Dr. N today at 2.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Davis. Couple of things. One, I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks instead of 30 days. I'm going to order that you wear a drug patch. You have 24 hours to go get a drug patch on. Your bondsman can tell you where to get that. So between today and tomorrow, you got to have a drug patch on your arm. You get them changed every 2 weeks. I'm going to assume that this first one is probably still going to be positive for marijuana. But the drug patch gives me quantities, not just positive or negative. So it's going to show me that it's either going up or down or staying the same. If it's not going down every 2 weeks, the amount in your system, then I'm going to assume you're still using, and you're going to have your bond raised, and there'll be a warrant for your arrest, and you'll go back to jail. You understand?
I have a question. Can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Sure.
I can ask you a question.
I just said you can ask me a question.
What's the point of the drug pass if I admitted that I was smoking and it's like I told you I'm without medicine, I'm disabled. So it's like.
So here's the thing. There are many people who have issues that don't use marijuana to self-medicate. So I'm ordering that you can't do that. And for me to be comfortable with you being out in the community, I'm going to make that a condition of your bond. It's a violation of the law to self-medicate with marijuana.
Okay.
So that's why I'm doing it, because it's illegal.
Okay.
And you made that choice to smoke marijuana while you had a felony
I
pending.
did.
Okay, so
I'm not. I haven't been prosecuted.
you're being prosecuted right now. You haven't been found guilty, but you're charged with a felony.
Right.
And so you're on a bond, which means a bond is for certain things. It's to make sure that you show up to court. It's also to make sure that you and the community are safe and you're not violating the laws of the state of Texas, which you have done already while you're on bond. Typically, if somebody violates the laws while they're on bond, their bond is raised immediately and they go to jail. I'm not doing that today, but I am ordering that you have the drug patch. If I don't have proof that you have the drug patch, by tomorrow, there will be a warrant for your arrest. If I get a result from the drug patch, again, and it's higher or the same, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You cannot use any illegal substance. In addition to that, a condition of your bond is that you're not allowed to use any form, legal or not, of THC. So there's no trying to go get something that's going to still test positive, but it's legal in Delta 8 or 9 or all the things that whatever's out there. So you can't use anything that's going to test positive for it. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? I need you to answer yes or no so it's on the record.
Yes.
Thank you. So in the meantime, also, you need to try to hire a lawyer. And so your reset between now and 2 weeks, it's not a very long one, but I want to make sure you start attempting to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do, okay?
Yes.
If you're unable to hire a lawyer before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, you have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. Also, when you come back, please bring me proof of your visit with your doctor this afternoon, okay? So get something from your doctor from today's date when you come back so that I know that you're actually going,
It
okay?
depends on how much they're gonna charge me for I don't have Medicaid, so.
But you have an appointment?
Yeah, I
Okay.
made the appointment, but I'm saying I don't have insurance, so
Okay.
I don't know what the charge is gonna be. Like, this is my first time going through.
Perfect. That's fine. I understand that. But just to get something that says you
Okay.
were there. Okay? So if it doesn't work out and you can't see them, there are some other places you can go if you need something to get the help you need. If you talk to your bondsman, if you want to talk after court, somebody can let you know some other resources. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Step in front of the clerk. She's going to give you your reset notice.
It's actually going to be 3 weeks because
Good morning. You're Jamaica August. So, Miss August,
I guess that was the one before. Let me see.
you are wearing a drug patch as a condition of your bond, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And so the drug patch that was tested at the end of December tested positive for THC and cocaine. And then on the 3rd, when you went in to have your drug patch changed, you didn't have one on. And so they just put one on you. I guess that was what, Friday maybe?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a seat in the jury box. I'm going to get you tested this morning, then I'll decide what to do.
Okay.
Obviously, that's very good. It is extremely important that you have that drug patch on correctly at all times.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it falls off or something's not testable, then the only thing I can assume is that it's probably positive, and you don't want me to assume that. So make sure whatever it takes, you keep it on, you change it when you're supposed to, and we won't have any issues with that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, let me go back and punch your case real quick. So this is your initial appearance in cause number 21-36752. So you're on probation already for unauthorized use of a vehicle, a state jail felony. And it looks like you were arrested again in August. And I set you a bond. And since you've made that bond, have you tried to hire a lawyer?
I think I have a 20 or something.
Speak up, please.
I have a court-appointed lawyer.
Right, so when you're in custody, I automatically give you a court-appointed lawyer. But once you make a bond, I expect you to try to hire your own lawyer. So what I'm going to do is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, your bond will be raised and you'll go back to jail. Do you understand? You're still on probation. It's very important that you're reporting also and doing everything else you're supposed to while you're on probation, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. David Greer. Can y'all help me look real quick and see what the bonds are on each of his cases? This one. Good morning. Are you David Greer? Mr. Greer, this is your initial appearance in two cases. The first is cause number 24 DCCR 2220. And in that case, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from August 24th of 2024. And then you also have cause number 25 DCCR 0324, where you're also charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, and that's from January 27th of 2025. So since you've made bond in these cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's on the process of right now.
Who are you planning on hiring?
I'm really undecided right now.
Okay.
Just trying to look
Speak up where I can hear you.
I say I'm really undecided right now.
Are you working?
Not currently, because I currently just had to find out, like, again, for the, I think it was some misdemeanors or something that picked up. So I had to find out, right after I had just found out from the other case, so I really haven't had time.
Do you have your GPS device on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so you made a $100,000 bond and a $20,000 bond. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Greer, is, hold on, let me look at one thing before I do that. Where are your previous felonies from? Where have you been convicted of felonies? What counties?
It was just,
Here in Jefferson County? How can I see on here? Huh. Go to where? I don't know what you're my what? I don't see summary. Click on your star. Summary. Or actually go to parties. Click on his name and then click on his name again. Cases. That's a bunch of buttons to push. And those are active and you scroll. So this is a felony. That's a. Oh, that's the same as that. This one. There's that one. Unauthorized use of a vehicle. Yeah. It's the same. That was dismissed. These were disposed. And then there's more. These are misdemeanors. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. Mr. Greer, if I test you this morning, you gonna have something in your system? No? All right, let's double check that and then we'll figure out what to do, okay? Just have a seat in the jury box. Find out.
like, sometime last month, it was like either last month or the beginning, because I went out 2 times back to back, so it was like.
So you but within a month, you bonded out and then you smoked marijuana before coming to court with 2 felonies pending.
What you mean?
You tested positive for THC
You said this morning.
before court.
Oh.
So within the last month, after bonding out for 2 felonies, you've already made a bond on one of those of $100,000. You smoked marijuana. When? It's the last time you smoked?
Like sometime in December. like beginning of December.
Well, obviously it was sometime in December because you just got out of jail in December and it's January. So how long before court? I mean, did you do it this last weekend,
Oh, no,
New Year's
it was
Eve?
Like the beginning of December, like probably like when I'm not gonna lie, probably when I first got out. Like I think that.
So here's the thing, Mr. Greer, what you're charged with, is 2 felon in possession of firearm cases. That concerns me greatly, the fact that you made those bonds and still made the terrible decision to smoke marijuana between now and then. It's obviously a violation of your bond as well. And so based on that, I am going to raise your bond in each of your cases. In cause number 25 DCCR 0324, I'm raising that bond to $200,000. In cause number 24 DCCR 2220, I'm raising your bond to $100,000. A condition of each of those bonds, if you make them, is that you have a drug patch on at all times. Also, that you would be required to wear a GPS monitoring device and be on house arrest.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Well, they'll take that off. If you make the bonds in the other cases, you're going to have to get another one on, and you're going to be on house arrest. You can't leave your house if you make those bonds except to come to court or see your lawyer. Do you understand?
I didn't smoke no weed this last.
Go with the bailiff.